Okay, this is how you take care of dogs. You had to make them a nice warm bed, just like what I done to my bed. They love this bed, and I made it nice and soft. And they have a little blanket, just like this. And to take care of your dogs, you had to get them food, water, and you had to give them a bath. And you had to play with them, because they also need exercising to play with them. And you had to take them on walks. And you also had to make sure they eat good food. Not bad food, like dust, dirt. And when they're sick, you had to take care of them. So that is what you had to do to make your dogs clear. See? Just look at mine. See? And look at my dogs. And that's what you could do to make your dogs happy. Okay, and thank you. This is from Heather.